Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alam and today I am going to show you how to create a new drive on Windows 10 and Windows 11, or you can say how to create partition on hard disk. If you have only one drive on your computer, that is C drive, and you save all your important data into C drive, desktop, document or download folder, you might lose all your important data, because in case if your Windows is corrupt, virus infected or due to any reason you have to install a fresh Windows on your computer, you will have to format C drive, and all these location comes under C drive. So all your data will be wiped out. That is why always you should save your important data into another drive like D, E or F drive. If you don't know how to create another drive, how to make partition on hard disk, this video is for you. Watch this video till end. And if you are new on my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so that you can watch more informative videos on my channel. So guys, let's learn something new today. So guys, to create new drive in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, first of all you have to click here on the search box, and in this search box you have to type computer. You will see computer management option. Click on it and this computer management page will open. There is another method to open this page is open this PC, then right click on it, then click on show more option, then click on manage, and same page will open computer management. On this page inside storage there is option called disk management. Click on it and you will see this kind of interface. Here you can see all your drive details. If you have only one drive in your computer, you will see C drive only. If you have more than one drive, you will see C drive, D drive and E drive. To create new drive, what you have to do, you have to take a space from existing drive. If you have only C drive in your computer, you will take a space from C drive. If you have more than one drive, you can take a space from any drive where a space is available. Like I have two drive in my computer, C drive, D drive. In D drive, I have 83 GB free space. So what I will do, I will take 40 GB from D drive and will make a new drive. For that, what you have to do, you have to right click on the drive from which you are going to take a space. If you are going to take a space from C drive, then right click on C drive. I am going to take a space from D drive. I will right click on D drive, then click on shrink volume and this page will open. On this page, first one is total space and second one is available space. And in this box you have to type a space for new drive and you have to type a space in MB. So I am going to create 40 GB drive. So I will type 40960. 1 GB equal to 1000 MB in decimal and 1024 in binary. So for 40 GB it will be 40960 in binary. After that click on shrink and you can see 40 GB unallocated space here. You have to right click on this unallocated space, then click on new simple volume, then click on next, and on this page you can select your drive letter. I have already C and D drive, so it will be E drive, then click on next. If you want to change your drive name, you can change, otherwise click on next and finish, and you can see finally 40 GB new drive is ready. Let me open this PC and here you can see 40 GB new drive I have created. So this is how you can create new drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.